In the top view, draw the general shape of the part. It is very important to assign a name to each element of the sketch. For example, the top side of the rectangle will be sketch A. The lateral side will be B. And the circle, whose sketch will be C. Generate the solid. Now proceed to open Insert, then Tables, and select Excel Design Table. This tool will allow you to create multiple copies of the part and define the dimensions needed for each previously named sketch through a table. Set the values of the sketches for the different parts. To view the generated parts, go to Configuration Manager and double-click on the name of the part you want to view or edit. If you need to add new parts or modify dimensions, you can use the previously generated table. Great. To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck.